Good morning, everyone. Firstly, let me tell my name. My name is Shivam Pandey. I'm a postgraduate BA mathematics tutor, and it has been more than 6 years since I'm working in this profession. And let me tell you, I love this to teach the students with the different techniques and with the different technology and according to the new education policy also. So, today I'm making this demo video for class ninth. But wait a minute, I'm not going to tell you the topic. Let's guess it. Okay, so I'm giving you some hint. Like we know that whenever we talk anything like that, in which year you pass, how much money you can earn, what is the country's economy, how much the budget, what are these all? These all are the names of games of numbers, right? In the childhood, when you start, teacher started teaching you that tables 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I hope now you guess what is the topic today. The topic is number system. Okay. So let's start with this topic and the few basic things which you know that we give a specific name to specific types of numbers. Like, and firstly, we all are well aware about number line, right? So you can see on the number line, if we talk, there is a two part. In the middle, there is a zero. Then one side positive numbers, another side negative numbers. So what are these and how to classify? If we don't know how to classify the numbers, it is very tough to learn the mathematics. So this is the basics. So firstly, very familiar name for you, which is called natural numbers, which is represented by capital N. If I ask from where to where it starts, so you can say, sir, from 1 to infinite on positive terms on a number line, right? Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. All the positive numbers on a number line will be considered as a natural number. Okay? And hey, wait. Suppose I'm giving you a hint. We are in a shopping mall. Okay? We are entering a shopping mall where all the types of numbers are available. Okay? And I have purchased right now natural numbers. So I have a bag in which 1 to infinite, all the positive numbers in my bag right now. Okay. So I'm looking at another counter and found, oh, this whole number is also available. So let's know what is the property of whole number. So whole number is nothing. On the number line, if you include 0 and then go to the positive infinite term, it's all about the whole number. So what we did, in the packet of natural number, we put another number which is called 0. And now in my shopping cart, I have two numbers, natural numbers and whole numbers. So simply whole numbers, 0 to positive infinite, nothing else. It can be represented on number line. So now you have a question mark. While traveling into the shopping mall, we were looking every and each counter. What if find another? You can see also there is a corner of negative numbers also. What about them? So don't worry. Come to the number line. Now you can see there are many negative numbers, right? -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on till infinite terms. And we have to also carry them, right? So what we do? I took all the negative numbers and put into my bag, and now together all the negative and positive, I can say it's a combined bag which is represented by capital Z. We call that integers. Integers can be negative also, positive also. So when you combine all the negative and positive, you can say, now in my bag I have integer also. So now my bag is little bit heavy because it's containing natural, it is containing whole number, and it is containing integers also. So there is one question. Can we say all the natural numbers are whole number? Yes, because natural number from 1 to infinite and whole number 0 to infinite. So it is also concluding natural numbers. So if we have a bag of whole number, we can put the natural number inside it automatically, right? Why to carry two bags? Now next thing, what about integer? So sir, integer is containing all the negative and all the positive side. So if I have a bag of integer, it is automatically having whole number and natural number. So I will take only one bag in which everything is carried. Now it is little lighter, carrying three bags rather than I have one. But wait, if I say I can make it more lighter to you, so then how? Let's see some other counters. Can you see there are something written rational numbers? Yes, There are rational numbers. So what are these? Rational numbers are nothing. These are those numbers which can be situated between the integers. Means you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Is there any gap in between? Yeah, there is a possibility of gap. And those numbers will be called rational numbers. So basically the definition of rational number is very simple. Any number which you can be written in P upon Q form, and Q should not be equal to 0. That is called a rational number. Okay. Why Q naught should be 0? If your denominator is 0 and you're dividing anything with the 0, everything is 0. Okay. So that's why we cannot make denominator 0. Okay. So what kind of numbers can be there? We can say 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 6. These all are rational numbers. Okay. So sir, what about if I say, is there something equivalent rational number? Yeah, of course. Why not? Equivalent fractions are exist. So equivalent rational numbers will also exist. How? 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4. Then you can say 4 upon 8. You can say 8 upon 16. They all are equivalent rational numbers. Okay. Basically, we can say the rational number is represented by Q, capital Q, and I hope there is no doubt in rational number. Now let's talk about, sir, what about the irrational number? Because there is another counter I can see in the shopping mall which is written irrational number, so you are very curious about to know. So we can simply say a number which cannot be written in P upon Q form, that are called irrational number. Especially irrational number was searched by Pythagoras. He found there are some other numbers rather than rational, and basically it is represent, we can say that irrational numbers, which the numbers which are in under root, like under root 2, under root 3, under root 4, like we can say a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal numbers, basically called irrational number. Like I can say 22 upon 7, which is the value of pi. If we divide, you will not see any number is repeating after going through the certain part of decimal. So we call them irrational number. Okay, but for irrational number you have to purchase a separate bag because you cannot combine with the rational. Okay, and is there something else which is something different? So we can say, yeah, if I want to put rational number and irrational number in a single bag, I can purchase a bag which is called real number. So real number is represented by capital R. So all the rational and irrational number together called real number. So if you purchase a bag of real number, you can keep all the bags together because rational number contain natural whole integers, and as an irrational small pocket, put them both together in a real number bag, and a single bag you can carry and come to home. So that's all from my side regarding the number system. I hope you like the video. I hope, and I'm literally willing to work with you. So kindly respond accordingly. Thank you everyone. Bye.